The Idaho Supreme Court upholds a murder conviction from Bannock County, but not without some disagreement. Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Todd Blackington. Today, the Idaho Supreme Court rejected the appeal of Torey Adamcik, upholding his convictions in the 2006 murder of Cassie Jo Stoddard. Our Logan McDougall is following this story for us today, and he joins us now from our Pocatello newsroom. So, Logan, what did the High Court find here?
Todd, in a 3-2 decision, the Idaho Supreme Court affirmed Adamcik's convictions for first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Now, Adamcik's attorneys argued for an appeal based on 7 different points, which included whether there was sufficient evidence for the jury to find beyond a reasonable doubt that Adamcik murdered Stoddard, if the jury had been properly instructed, and whether the sentences imposed were unreasonable or cruel because of Adamcik's minor status at the time the crimes occurred. In the majority opinion, Justice Jones says there was substantial evidence in the record upon which a jury could reasonably conclude, beyond a reasonable doubt, that Adamcik was guilty of first-degree murder. Jones also states that the theories presented to the jury by the prosecution were adequately described in the jury instructions provided in this case. Those instructions required the jury to find that Adamcik engaged in conduct which caused Stoddard's death. And in response to the claims of unreasonable or cruel and unusual punishment, Jones says, in light of the excessively heinous nature of the crime committed here, the premeditated and calculated stabbing of a friend for the apparent purpose of gaining fame as a serial killer, this court finds that Adamcik has failed to demonstrate a clear abuse of discretion by the district court. Now, coming up tonight on KPVI News 6 at 10, we'll speak to attorneys on both sides of this case to get their opinions on today's decision and also look into the dissenting opinions of the court's decision. Todd, back to you.
All right, thank you very much. Logan McDougall.